at the moment where you want to just stop because you're like, oh, it's not working, that is where you push through. That is your moment of breakthrough. Your moment of breakthrough happens at that place where you're like, oh, can I hold it? Can I hold it? Can I hold it? Wait, I'll just keep going. No, I'm going to keep going, right? So even if you have a bobble like that, when you push through and you keep going, the act of learning how to recover it actually helps you get the move better. It sounds kind of weird, but it's really true. I recommend for you, where you're at in your practice right now, keep going until either you're too exhausted to keep going, which is the goal, I think, ultimately. I go till you're exhausted. If you can do that, you've won. Even if the moves aren't perfect, you've still won because you've gotten to the place of burnout. It's great. Or you're too tangled to continue. If you're not tangled and it's just like, okay, that one hand's wrong. If you're not tangled, just try and get it back. Or until you hurt yourself too much to keep going because you thwacked yourself in the eye or something. That's my rule for beginners, because I think a lot of beginners, like, it's like a fake quit. It's like rage stopping. You know, you're like, oh, frustrated. Why the fuck is this shit not working? What's wrong with me? Ow, that hurt. And so you're like, no, I'm not doing it. I've got to stop. Whereas if you push through just that tiny little bit, you often can get a breakthrough that you wouldn't have otherwise gotten. So push through your fake rage quit. This has been in my practice too. I am not just making an observation of students. I'm making an observation of practitioners, myself included, where you just want to, what's wrong with me? And you have that internal voice that's just like, I can't do this, and I suck at this, and what's my problem, and I don't understand it. And it's just that like whiny little baby inside, and maybe that baby needs a little love and coddling, and it needs a breath. But if you give it that breath and that moment and you say, okay, baby, let's get going again, because we got to do it. So here we go. Sometimes that really does work. But I mean, this is normal. You're not experiencing something that's aberrant in my experience. That might not make you feel better though.